Looking for something fun to do? Come on, let's get out, Beaver County. Wooley Bullys Juke Joint in New Brighton has long been an oasis of live, local, original music, though I heard something extra unique will be happening there this Saturday. So I thought, hey, I better investigate. I caught up with Rex Trim, an accomplished jazz saxophonist, and Alan James, a singer, songwriter, rocker, rehearsing their new combo of dark surf music and horror jazz.
Well, we've known each other for a while, but we are more like ships passing in the night. We never really played together until just recently. And he mentioned it at one point that he wanted to do a dark surf project, and this really got me interested because I have in the past bumped into Dick Dale and
Great surf rock legend.
Shared a stage with them when I was on tour back in the day, and this project appealed to me. And we did a bit of a test run at Hollywood Gardens in between one of my two sets with Reggie Watkins, and he and I really hit it off, and then we just decided that, well, why don't we expand upon the idea and come up with a couple of sets. First set is surf music, and we're kind of giving our own kind of dark edge to it. And the second set is a celebration of a lot of the Twin Peaks material from Angelo Badalamenti.
Their ambient, cinematic sound is intriguing art, well suited to an eclectic place like Wooley Bullys.
I really feel like this area in particular, I can go to Pittsburgh all the time and see all kinds of fantastic stuff. But here in Beaver County, I really feel like the area is kind of thirsty for some creative push. If you put it out there that you're going to do something a little unorthodox, but well done and from the heart, I think people will respond to it and they'll become more engaged as an audience and will want more.
Sounds like something cool to do before you hide the Easter basket Sunday.